So now let's begin with writing the program, compiling and executing or running it. First, I will click on Create New Xcode Project, Mac OS, Command Line Tool, give the project name First and click on Next and create the project. Once the project is created, we have the main.cpp file that Xcode has created for us. I will rename it to first.cpp and start the coding. First, let me clear the code window and I'll say #include iostream using namespace std, int main and parentheses and curly brackets. Now inside the curly brackets, I'll say return 0 and above return 0 will start the coding. Let us not worry about what all of this is. For now, this is a mandatory structure that we need to write. As we proceed further, I'll explain each and every part of it in absolute detail. Now let's try to display something. I'll write cout and then $sign, which is also known as insertion operator. And in the double quotes, I'll say hello world. Now we are done with the coding part. Next is to run. Remember, when I run the program, it first compiles and then executes it. Compiling is a process of validating the program, that is, checking for errors if there are any. To run this code, I'll click on the product menu and select the run option, or you can also press the shortcut Command+R. Now you see in the console section that it displays hello world. So we are done with our first program. This was just to get an idea about how to code and run the program. Now in the coming sections, we will actually jump into the programming world. Till then, see you.